knife.
Wow, what are you doing, Joe?
Put peanut butter on your.
And Joe just got done saying that Joe's doing a good job. Right, Joe?
Yes. Yes.
Hey, Joe, do you want to take a bite of one of those?
Yes.
All right, Joe got it all ready. How was it?
Good.
Was there enough peanut butter on there? Does it need a little more peanut butter?
Here's more peanut
It
butter.
needs a little more peanut butter on there, doesn't it? That graham cracker needs a little bit more peanut butter on it. Wow, Joe's doing a good job, isn't he? Was that hard to do, Joe? Hey, Joe, remember if you turn the knife this way, turn it over, now I'll rub it on there. Ooh, now a lot more peanut butter got on there. So how do you do it? You scoop it up. Now flip it. Flip it. Can you flip it over? Remember? Flip it like that. And that way all the peanut butter gets on there. All right, Joe, take a big bite of it. That one's got enough peanut butter on it. Take a big bite. It's gonna be good. Chew, chew, chew. How is it?
Good.
Can you say it's yummy in my tummy?
It's yummy in my tummy.
Is that delicious? Good work, Joe.